Hey guys, it's your nature girl back at it again with another garden vlog. Today I'm replanting some of my suckers. Here I'm just mixing some of my bagged soil with regular soil and choosing the healthiest of my plants, to get into these pots. Underestimated how much it would be that I actually got out of these baby plants, but nevertheless we're going to replant them and watch them grow. Now I'm adding some healthy grow soil. This one has fertilizer in it, so it's more potent than the one I used before when they were just seedlings. I'm putting my peppers into the bigger pots because they are actually bigger plants, and tomatoes don't need so much room, so I've put my tomatoes in the smaller pots. It's raining. It's a beautiful day for planting. Replanted. Still have a lot more babies to replant. Underestimated how much it would be, but I'll eventually get these in. Continue to follow along, and I hope you started yours. Click like, subscribe, and also comment. Thanks for watching.